It's just like any other dinner. Get your act together.
Yes? Oh, nandito na po yung streamer.
Okay, good. Paki-sabit na lang dyan sa side ng stage, okay? Yung iba.
Ma'am, paparating na po.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Shamers.
sumabog po ang smoke machine natin.
Ganun ba? Okay lang. Sige, gagamitin na lang tayo.
Okay po. Your talents are late, ha?
Relax, ano ka ba? They're coming na. I call them. They're
Nasaan na sila?
parking. They're parking.
Okay.
Relax, okay?
Hoy!
Hey, how are you?
Are you doing okay?
Yeah? Why? Something wrong?
No, you're doing great. Except...
Except...
Except wala ka pa isusot mamayang gabi sa event natin. Just casual so cram. May wala kang time magpa-makeup. Ano ba naman yan, best friend?
Why?
And
Wait.
most importantly, wala ka pang date.
Wait lang. Why? Do I look that bad to you?
No, in fact, you look fresh as you can be.
Oh, see?
Kaya lang just worried about you. Valentine's could be soon. And you couldn't care less. Yun lang, best friend. Akala ko pa naman ang gusto mong i-break na record, yung countries with the most number of kissing couples. Pero ang balak mong i-break na record, tingin ko, yung girl that survived without any date. The longest.
Wait, bakit mo binibilang? Bakit mo binibilang kung how long ako walang date?
Best friend, I'm obliged to. What do you expect? At saka malay mo, no? Ngayong Lollapalooza, mahanap mo dito yung perfect date mo.
Okay, back to work.
Everything will change. Hanggang ngayon ba naman, hangat ka ba dun sa palits na yan?
Ano ka ba? Hindi na. Okay?
You never talk about him. Hindi ka man lang nagpapakita ng pictures niya. Sana lang gwapo yan, no?
Stop it now. Stop. Okay? Okay, best friend, thank you. Thank you for your concern. But really, I'm sorry dahil para sa akin, when it comes, it comes. Ganun lang yun. Okay?
Sus! Oh, by the way, nandiyan na pala yung photographer na pinadala ng ahensya.
Si Mang Jung, mabuti naman.
No, they sent someone else kasi nagkasakit daw. Pero nakausap ko yung guy. Sabi niya, kilala ka daw.
Sino daw?
Manuel Guba?
Palis?
Five, six, seven, and...
Ay, naku. Excited na ako dahil it's gonna be bigger and better this year because we have performers like River Maya, Orange Lemons, Itchy Worms, Rocksteady, Kichinadal, Sugar Free at marami pang iba!
No, so we have to start at exactly 7 p.m. We have to be there.
Walang tunog. Ano nangyari? Nabunot pala yung wire.
Palits, lumabas ka na dyan. Nakikita na kita. Ano ba ginagawa mo dito?
Ha? Bakit?
Ano, bakit nabunot mo yung wire?
Hindi kasi I was doing my job.
You're right, you're stalking me.
Ba't naman kita i-stalk? And what makes you think na ikaw yung kinukunan ko? Yung banda yung kinukunan ko, oh.
Ganon. Ano mabuti sa'yo? Akin na.
Hey!
Akin na to.
Marian, mahal yan, ha?
Akin na yan. O, eto, dapat dito, ganyan.
Uy, best friend. Akala ko ba naging love mo siya? Bakit yatang harsh-harsh mo sa kanya?
Excuse me, siya yung may first love sa akin. And besides, I've long given up on him.
Hey, you don't close your doors for love. You might wait for a big surprise.
Wanna be with you for sure. First love, I feel it's real in every way I feel.
Ano ba naman kasi nangyari, ha?
Sino ba kasi hindi maiinis, di ba? Sino pang ibang mapapalit dun sa palits na yan, sa photographer na yan? Wala nang iba. Siya lang.
Best friend, hindi naman siya ipapadala ng ahensya if it's not good. You still love him.
Ano, Marian? Why don't you tell me? Do you still love me?
Basta surrender.
Bakit sandali?
Look, tinis kong maging malayo sa'yo. I'm sorry, I was too preoccupied pursuing our dreams.
Sana hindi ka lang bumalik dito sa Pilipinas.
Ma'am! Wala pa po yung mga tarps. Ha? Ayaw po kasing i-release ng supplier.
Pupuntahan ko na lang. Well, ikaw na yung bahay.
Sandali. Samahan kita. I'll drive.
Hindi ko kailangan.
Best friend, wala tayong driver eh.
Kasamahan na kita. I have a car, I can drive you, and I'm free.
Best friend, when opportunity knocks, let him in.
I'm knocking.
Iba na kasi yung mga dan, hindi ko
Alam mo, yun
naman
kasi napapala mo for leaving behind the things that are important to you. Tuloy ngayon, you can't even recognize them. Excuse me. Ano ko lang yung tar?
Sige po, ma'am, sandali.
Sana ang bilis na.
Oh, hello, Maria.
Ay, hi, Miss Melay. Hi.
Hello. Ba't may kasama kang artista?
Hindi po. Kailangan ko na yung tarpaulin.
Marian, alam mo, ikaw, you're always in a hurry. Take time to smell the flowers, my dear. Marian, ang ganda-ganda yata ng Lavapalooza tonight. Si Sam Melvin, nandoon ba?
Yung tarps.
Ay. Tawagan mo na nga si Timmy, labas na yung mga tarpaulins.
Hello, Timmy. Labas mo na daw yung mga tarpaulin, sabi ni ma'am. Andiyan na po, ma'am.
Okay. Nakakahalata ako eh. Siya ba ang iyong date for tonight sa Lavapalooza?
Excuse me, hindi po. Thank you.
Why not? When it's a perfect match.